In this video, we'll be knowing about the keyword density. So, what is keyword density actually? See, keyword density is nothing, whatever the keyword you are implementing in your content, right? So, that comes under keyword density. So, here, for example, you have written around 1000 content, right? I mean, 1000 words of content. So, in that words, how many times you are writing the particular or the main keyword, right? So we can say it's the percentage of times a keyword or phrase appears on a web page compared to the total number of words on the page, right? So definitely the search engine, they also keep looking for the your keyword as well. So you should maintain your keyword density. So somewhere you have to maintain it around 2 to 3% for writing in your content, right? So how to calculate the keyword density? So just you can apply simple percentage formula. For example, you can see here, suppose 500 words of content you have written and there 5 times you are writing your main keyword. So what will be the formula? 5 divided by 100 into 100. So like that way you can find out the keyword density, right? So your keyword density is 1%, right? So you should not keep your keyword density 3%, right? So better you keep it below 3%, right? So like this way you can do it manually, otherwise just you'll be taking you'll be knowing the keyword density with the help of tools. So some simply we just will go in Google, and here just you can type keyword density checker, right? So here many tools you can see, but I prefer the small SEO tools. This is the best one. Simply you can click on this one, and here then you have to take the URL of that website. So by default it will be calculating the keyword density and the frequency of that keyword also. So just simply you have to copy the URL of this page, and here just will be pasting the URL. And here if you want to add any custom words which simply you want to filter your words, so you can add that word over here. Otherwise just you click on check density. So now we can see this is the result, right? So just scroll down, and here top keywords we can see. So here all you have to focus on your main keyword only, right? So these are the main keyword, as we can see, like sales marketing, marketing strategy, marketing sales, digital marketing, social media. This may be the main keyword, but other words like you can see over here, like say thanks, think marketing, customer needs, don't consider it is a main keyword, because people, they are not going to search engine, they are not typing this word, right? And here you can also can check the frequency and density also. So this is one word, but basically just you can prefer the two words or three words keywords. So yeah, right. So here we can see like this we are taking as a main keyword, like sales marketing, marketing strategy, digital marketing. So here we can see how many times it has been written in the particular content, and here we can see the density also, right? So simply you can also check for the three words keyword and four word keywords as well. So as we can see here, the main keyword is not here, only social media marketing. It may work as a main keyword. So here we can see the density and number of frequency as well. So in that content, uh, 2 times it has been written. So like that way, you can check the keyword density with the help of tool.